Have you ever wondered why you have your dad's eyes or your mum's smile? The answer lies in the microscopic world of chromosomes. Imagine a library, a vast repository of information. Each book in this library represents a cell, and every word in those books corresponds to the genes. Now imagine that these words are grouped into sentences, and these sentences are the chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structures located inside the nucleus of animal and plant cells. Made of protein and a single molecule of deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, they carry the genes that determine everything about an organism, from the color of your eyes to your susceptibility to certain diseases. Each chromosome is made up of DNA tightly coiled many times around proteins called histones that support its structure. Chromosomes are not visible in the cell's nucleus, not even under a microscope, when the cell is not dividing. However, the DNA that makes up chromosomes becomes more tightly packed during cell division and is then visible under a microscope. Most of what researchers know about chromosomes was learned by observing chromosomes during cell division. Each chromosome has a centromere, which divides the chromosome into two sections, the P arm and the Q arm. The P arm, which is short, and the Q arm, which is long, are used to help describe the location of genes on each chromosome. So how do these chromosomes function? Well, during cell division, the chromosomes replicate, that is, make an exact copy of themselves, so that both new cells will have the same genetic material. The chromosomes carry the genetic material which is passed from parents to offspring, ensuring that every new generation carries the traits of the previous one. In humans, each cell normally contains 23 pairs of chromosomes, for a total of 46. 22 of these pairs, called autosomes, look the same in both males and females. The 23rd pair, the sex chromosomes, differ between males and females. Females have 2 copies of the X chromosome, while males have one X and one Y chromosome. Here's a quick recap of what we've discussed about chromosomes. They are thread-like structures inside the cell's nucleus, made up of protein and DNA. They carry the genes that determine the traits of an organism, and they replicate during cell division to ensure the genetic material is passed on. Human cells normally contain 23 pairs of chromosomes, including 1 pair of sex chromosomes, which differ between males and females. With each passing day, scientists are learning more about chromosomes and how they influence our lives. From determining our physical traits to our susceptibility to diseases, chromosomes hold the blueprint of life. As we continue to explore this microscopic world, who knows what other secrets we might uncover?